In this video, I will show you the process of making charcoal at home. At first, saw the hardwood into pieces. I'm using ash in this demonstration. Place the pieces of wood into the tin container. Cover the tin container with a lid, into which you make a small hole. Place the tin container on the fire. The white smoke is a sign that the pyrolysis process is starting. At first, the smoke is white due to water evaporation. After a while, the wood starts releasing a flammable gas, methane, which begins to burn. When the methane stops releasing from the can, pyrolysis is finished. Now, you need to seal the container to prevent the hot charcoal from igniting upon contact with air. Allow the charcoal to cool completely before opening the container. The wood has completely transformed into premium charcoal. This charcoal works great for barbecue, art, and even improving your soil.